Hey there, welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing. In this video, we're answering your questions about our legal policies, including privacy, terms of use, cookies, and data requests, and where you can find all the information you need. Let's get started. Where can I review your privacy policy? Our privacy policy explains how we collect, use, and protect your personal data. You can review it any time by visiting our privacy policy page. We recommend reading it to understand how your information is handled. What are the terms of use, and how can I access them? Our terms of use outline the rules for using our services and website. Before engaging with our content or tools, be sure to check them out. You can access the full document through the Terms of Use link on our site. What is the cookie policy, and where can I find it? Our cookie policy explains how we use cookies to enhance your experience on our website. It also tells you how to manage your preferences. To learn more, visit our cookie policy page. How can I request the removal of my personal data? If you'd like us to delete your personal data from our system, no problem. Just go to our data request page and follow the instructions. We're committed to respecting your rights and keeping your data secure. Have more questions about our policies or your data? Visit the legal section of our website or reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching and welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing.